Herodias here with a special edition of Talk Tax from Region 9, Upper Takatu, Upper Essequibo. This week I'll share with you tax relief measures available for hinterland communities. Let's talk tax. Recently, Guyana was named the #1 ecotourism destination in the world. And with stunning sights like these, there's no disputing that title.
Look down from your window, no big city lights, just greenery. I don't know what you come for. Listen up, my dear, we're such a man free. Welcome to the land of many faces, not one, not two, but 6 different races. You know when the sun kisses your skin, you're in the right place. Guyana, oh, that's my beautiful country. Guyana.
The good news continues, because now tourist operators can benefit from a tax credit if they're operating in regions 1, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Qualifying tourist operators can get as much as 75% set off of their income and corporate taxes. To further stimulate the tourism sector, hotel operators in regions 1, 7, 8, 9, and 10 can now claim wear and tear allowances on their buildings.
Tourism is a no-brainer for Guyana. The world is looking at Guyana as a new destination, and we need to identify the constraints. One of the major constraints is the cost to the market. So whatever measures are taken to help reduce that cost and to help the industry invest in tourism as a business is extremely welcome.
Still on tourism, tourist operators who use motorbuses with 12 or more seats can now benefit from excise tax exemption. However, the motorbus must not be older than 4 years, and it must be used exclusively for the transportation of tourists anywhere in Guyana. Tourist operators who want to capitalize on this exemption must be registered with and licensed by the Guyana Tourism Authority. They must also satisfy the registration and licensing conditions with the GTA for 5 years. Talk Tax will return after these messages.
Persons residing in Parika, Anna Regina, New Amsterdam, Creviton, Bartica, Linden, and Latham can now process their driver's license at their respective integrated regional tax offices. Please be advised that the processing time is approximately 2 weeks. The license attracts a cost of $5,000. For more information, visit www.gra.gov.gy. GRA, your partner in development.
Welcome back to this special edition of Talk Tax from Region 9. We're looking at tax relief measures for hinterland communities. This year, there are new tax measures intended to incentivize small businesses. Small businesses in the manufacturing and construction sectors are now taxed at the non-commercial rate of 25%.
Know what you're doing right now? Impressing the heck out of me.
To benefit from this reduced tax on chargeable income, small businesses must be registered with a small business bureau. This year, a number of items were included on the value-added tax-exempt list. Locally produced school uniforms for the nursery, primary and secondary education levels are now VAT exempted. Educational robot kits are also VAT exempted. This measure is intended to boost the reading and robotics program targeted to children across the country.
You've programmed your robot to shoot? Oh! Crazy robot.
As the country moves towards a greener economy, there's a greater push for renewable energy sources. Now, machinery and equipment used to harness renewable energy through wind, solar and water, as determined by the Commissioner General, is exempted from VAT. Other VAT-exempted items include boats used in rural and riverine areas. The boats must be used for the transport of goods and people and cannot exceed 7.08 cubic meters or 250 cubic feet. Construction supplies such as concrete blocks, plywood, logs or lumber, or any other material used in construction and housing are also now VAT exempted. If you would like to know how you or your business can benefit from the services offered by the GRA, visit your nearest branch office or give Tax Advisory Service Department a call on the numbers listed here. You can also find more information on GRA's website at www.gra.gov.gy. Don't forget to follow us on YouTube and our social media pages.